It's exactly 3 years since Apple unveiled the AirPods Pro, and looking at their successors, it's obvious that Apple hasn't grown tired of the design. But don't let that fool you, just about everything has gotten better on the inside, and Apple will have yet another winner on its hands. Today, we will tell you everything about Apple AirPods Pro 2nd generation. The links of all these products are mentioned in the description, so don't forget to check that. Number 4. Software and features. All of the features of the AirPods Pro are baked into iOS, so there's no need to download a separate app to make changes. For this reason, the earbuds seamlessly pair with your phone when you open the case and tap the on-screen pop-up. Just like before, you can quickly access noise cancellation, transparency, spatial audio, and head tracking with a long press on the volume slider in the control center. In iOS 16, there's now a shortcut in the main view of your iPhone settings, saving you the extra taps through the Bluetooth menu. Once you make it to the AirPods Pro settings page, you'll see battery figures for the earbuds and the case, one number for both. Noise control options for ANC, transparency, and turning both off are just below, with the ability to reconfigure the long press to activate Siri rather than cycle through those sound modes. Apple's ear tip fit test also lives in this menu, as do sliders for disabling adaptive transparency, in-ear detection, charging case sounds optimized charging, and Find My. Despite the unchanged design, Apple has packed an assortment of updates into the new AirPods Pro. All of the conveniences from the 2019 model are here as well, alongside additions like adaptive transparency, personalized spatial audio, and a new touch gesture in tow. There's room to further refine the familiar formula, but Apple has given iPhone owners several reasons to upgrade. Another new feature Apple introduced on the AirPods Pro is personalized spatial audio. From this main settings menu, you can initiate the process of tuning the device to your ears, which Apple says will improve the immersive quality of spatial audio with more accuracy and clarity for directional elements in movies, TV shows, and videos. To set it up, you create a personal profile with a front-facing true-depth camera on an iPhone. After taking a scan of your face and ears, your phone does the rest. Before proceeding further, please subscribe to the channel and click on the notification icon so you would get notified when we upload the next video. Number 3. Sound quality. Inside the new AirPods Pro, Apple says new algorithms, amplifier, driver, and transducer combine for richer sound, increased clarity, and consistent performance across volumes and frequencies. It's a lot of audio jargon, but what you need to know is that the overall sound quality of the 2nd gen model is massively improved from the first version. Apple wasn't lying when it promised music would sound better at lower volumes. What Apple has done with regular volume is great too. The overall sound is indeed richer, with more depth, clarity, and a wider soundstage to create a fuller listening experience. The echo on the snaps and the sustain on the low, boomy synth on Lord's Royals are on equal footing, but at opposite ends of the frequency range. This keeps the track airy and dimensional, showcasing subtle nuance in both sounds. The sound isn't just immersive, it's more detailed too. Number 2. Battery life. When it comes to battery life, Apple says you can expect up to 6 hours with ANC on or up to 7 hours with noise cancellation disabled. There are 3 additional charges in the new case, which can now be replenished with an Apple Watch charger in addition to MagSafe and QI-certified accessories or a lightning cable. If you find yourself in a pinch, 5 minutes in the case will give you up to 1 hour of use. The company explains that personalized spatial audio and dynamic head tracking decrease overall listening time by 30 minutes, and that you can expect up to 4.5 of purely talk on calls. Number 1. Wrap up. Apple's noise-canceling earbuds were way overdue for an update. While the company didn't see the need to change the overall design, it did extensive upgrades on the inside, introducing new features and improving performance along the way. Importantly, it made all for these changes while keeping the price at $249. Things like improved audio, more powerful ANC, adaptive transparency, and even the upgrades to the charging case made the new AirPods Pro a worthwhile update to a familiar formula. Let's just hope we don't have to wait another 3 years for a full redesign. Would you like to buy these? Thanks for watching.